Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by softening the glue so the sticker will come away intact. Heat the sticker evenly for 30-60 seconds until pliable. You want warm, not scorching. Once warmed, lift a corner with dental floss or a thin plastic scraper and use a back-and-forth sawing motion to separate adhesive from paint. You do this because heat weakens the adhesive bonds. Make sure to keep the heat moving to avoid paint damage, and stop immediately if paint becomes hot to the touch. Once the sticker film is off, you'll deal with the remaining sticky layer. Apply a citrus-based adhesive remover or 70-90% isopropyl alcohol to a microfiber cloth and press onto the residue for 1 to 2 minutes to dissolve the glue. Then rub gently along the surface. Don't scrub hard, or you risk marring clear coat. If residue resists, repeat application and let solvent sit a bit longer. You use a test spot first, because some solvents can dull paint or remove decals nearby. You finish by restoring and protecting the bike's finish. After solvent removal, wash the area with mild soap and water and dry it thoroughly to remove any chemical residue. Once dry, apply a small amount of polish or wax to blend the finish and add UV protection. This also hides light swirl marks. If you notice paint lifted or scratches, stop and use touch-up paint or consult a professional. One tip: if adhesive won't budge, reheat briefly rather than increasing solvent strength.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.